Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to change text case in Microsoft Excel. And this basically means if you've got text with weird capitalization or something in that and you'd like to automatically just set all the text to either uppercase or lowercase, I'm going to show you how to do that. So here I have a list of very unique text. It's kind of just copied over and over and over again. But you'll notice that the T's are capitalized. So we want to make that either all uppercase or all lowercase. Now, going to uppercase, there's a couple different tricks that you can use with, different kind of results. So if you really like this font, don't do what I'm about to show you. You select the entire row, or the entire column, excuse me, and we're going to come into the fonts here. And if you scroll down, you'll notice that some of these are all uppercase. So like the copper plate is pretty close to all uppercase. This one, Charlemagne STD, is truly all uppercase. And if you click on that, you'll notice your text is now completely uppercase. If we select this I, and I'm going to replace it with an uppercase I, you can see that there is absolutely no difference between it visually and the lowercase I. So technically, we've now accomplished our goal. But to be honest, that font looks kind of horrible. So I'm not going to go with that at all. So I'm going to back out of that. And what we want to do is we're going to click on this column right next to it. And we're going to start inputting a formula. If you push enter, or equals, we're going to type upper. And you can see that the automatic fill-in has already discerned what we want. So push tab to complete it, and it opens up a parenthesis, and we're just going to click on the cell next to it. Close parenthesis, enter. And it replaces the text in the column that we were entering the formula in with the same font and everything, but all uppercase. And so I'm going to select that and click on the little lower corner here with that strange cursor, and we're going to drag all the way down. And now we have completely converted one column into all uppercase text. And this will work as kind of an automatic way of doing things, so you don't need to do it by hand. You can't just select the whole sheet and say, make everything uppercase. You're going to have to copy one sheet to another sheet or something like that. But this will speed up that process considerably. I'm going to show you just one more thing really quick. Going to lowercase, we're going to replace this word upper with lower, and it's automatically selected it for us, so just push tab, enter. And now the text is all lowercase. So we can drag that down again, and you can see our entire column has been converted. I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to change case in Microsoft Excel. I'm Josiah Ray.